We are at 59 hundredths of an inch, and just a minute ago we were at 54 hundredths of an inch. You closing the door on me?
Oh, there you go.
There we go. Yeah, somebody else was doing this just a second ago too. Wow. The entire porch is covered, which, like for Phoenix, is way unusual. Yeah, the gutters and everything else are flooding. We're gonna have to take Mama and Papa through what rains look like in Arizona. Yeah, I'm coming out back. This way it's a little bit, I can stay a little bit drier. Mama and Papa think it's kind of cool, but they're freezing. Yeah, it normally doesn't pool up this bad in the backyard. It has been raining off and on since last night, which is like way unusual for this place. Mama, Papa, and I spent quite a bit of this morning going around checking out the desert washes and showing them that there really is water in these things every once in a while. But I'll be making a video and posting it a little bit later today. We've had almost 1.75 inches of rain in the last 24 hours. Anybody from Phoenix knows how unusual that actually is.